Hello and welcome back to CodeFlow. In this video, we will learn to make Windows 10 bootable pen drive. For this process, you will need at least 8 GB pen drive. So at first, insert pen drive to your PC. Open our UFOS tools. From here click on Select and choose Windows 10 ISO file. My partition scheme is GPT, so I have chosen GPT. You can find video on description to check your hard disk partition scheme. Finally click on Start. After the process is completed, it is ready to install Windows 10 from pen drive. If you encounter any problem, then comment below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.